In this video, I'm going to unveil a game-changing strategy that could help you rake in $10,000 a month in 2024, and it works across all trading markets. We're diving deep into the realm of price action trading. Consider it your universal key to decoding market trends. Imagine I'm handing you a map, one that effortlessly guides you through the highs and lows of any market out there, be it cryptocurrencies, stocks, or forex. And there's another essential element to this strategy, the Fibonacci retracement tool, specifically the golden pocket. This is a special zone identified by the Fibonacci tool, the sweet spot for major price reversals. This golden pocket sits between the 61.8% and 66% Fibonacci retracement levels, and it's renowned for its ability to pinpoint the most lucrative turning points. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's straightforward and incredibly effective. I'm here to guide you through it all, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be spotting key opportunities in any market, setting you on the path to potentially making $10,000 a month. Alright, time to hit the ground running. To learn all about this strategy, let's open TradingView first, and let's start with a clean chart. I've rigorously tested this strategy on the 5-minute Bitcoin chart over the last 7 months, and the results have been truly outstanding. This experience is what drives me to share it with you. But it's not just limited to Bitcoin. This strategy works wonders across multiple assets and time frames. Before we dive into the details, I've got exciting news. I'm running a special giveaway exclusively for you. Here's how it works. I'll be asking a question in the pinned comment below this video. To enter, all you need to do is respond to that question and leave your own comment. Each week, one lucky commenter will be randomly selected to win $10. But that's not all. I plan to increase the giveaway amount in the coming weeks, making it even more exciting to participate. This is not just a chance to win some cash. It's an opportunity to engage, share your thoughts, and be a part of our community. Make sure you join in, and let's make this interactive. The strategy includes 2 indicators only. In order to add the first one, click on the Indicators tab and search for Lux Algo Sessions, and click this one to add it to your chart. Now let's customize this indicator by clicking the settings. For this strategy, we only want to use Session A, so make sure to disable everything except for the first session and the range option. You want to use the time from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now click this button right here and change your time zone to UTC-4. We'll be using this session indicator to pinpoint the low and high points of the market. We'll especially focus on the sweeps of these levels, as they will serve as our first entry condition. This approach will help us identify the most opportune moments to enter the market. Now that we understand how this indicator works, let's add our second indicator to our chart. For the second indicator, we want to search for Lux Algo Price Action Concepts and click this one to our chart. Keep in mind, this is a premium indicator, meaning it requires a purchase to access its full capabilities. Haven't heard of Lux Algo yet? It's an all-in-one indicator with over 20 features designed to give traders useful signals and overlays. It's fully packed with tools for technical analysis. LuxAlgo is the top provider of technical indicators globally, trusted by over 50,000 traders. With the Ultimate membership, you get advanced signals and overlays, estimates of institutional volume, and over 20 other premium features. These include highly rated indicators developed from community feedback, access to a Discord community with scanners and bots, real-time alerts, non-repainting signals, and much more. These indicators work on any market on TradingView, such as stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and commodities, and on all time frames. They're versatile, fitting any trading style like scalping, swing trading, or investing, and are great for uncovering technical insights. If you're serious about elevating your trading skills and building a career in this field, LuxAlgo offers 3 plans. The Essential plan includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. The Premium plan adds the Signals and Overlays Toolkit with built-in AI, plus the Oscillator Matrix Indicator and the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. I personally chose the Ultimate plan, which combines all 3 toolkits and 3 backtesting system strategy scripts. Now we need to customize our price action indicator. For this strategy, we're only going to be using the change of character labels and the fair value gaps. A change of character, or CHOC, sometimes also referred as market structure shift, is characterized by price breaking a prior swing low during an uptrend, which will then give us a bullish CHOC, or a prior swing high during a downtrend, which will then give us a bearish CHOC, and thus indicates a potential market reversal. The Price Action Concepts Toolkit labels 2 distinct types of CHOCs, the leading CHOC and a supported CHOC. We're going to be using both types for our strategy. We'll be using the bearish ones to identify short entry signals and the bullish CHOCs to identify long entry signals. Fair value gaps, or FVGs, are market imbalances formed from a sequence of 3 candles where the outer candle wicks fail to overlap the central candle body. The range between the wicks highlight a fair value gap. Bullish fair value gaps occur when the current price low is higher than the price high 2 bars ago. Bearish fair gaps occur when the current price high is lower than the price low 2 bars ago. Now onto the fun stuff. Let's delve into the trading rules to understand how we can use this strategy profitably, and let's first start with the rules to enter a short trade. For a short entry signal to be valid, there must be three conditions met. First, we need to see the previous session high being swept. Second, we must wait for a bearish change of character label being printed. Third, we must wait for a bearish fair value gap being printed. If all conditions are met, we want to enter our short trade at the bearish FVG. Now listen carefully. We want to draw a Fibonacci retracement from our entry candle to the previous session low, and we want to use the levels minus 2.272, 0.618, and 0.66. We want to set our stop loss at the negative level, and we want to take profit as soon as price action hits the golden pocket. Remember, a great strategy needs great tools. Lux Algo Premium indicators are a game changer. Using my link in the description gets you up to a 20% discount. For another short trade opportunity to be recognized, we'll look for three key conditions. Firstly, the sweep of the previous session's high is essential. Secondly, we need to identify a bearish chalk label appearing on the chart. Thirdly, the appearance of a bearish FVG is crucial. Once these criteria are fulfilled, our entry point for the short trade is at the location of the bearish FVG. Here's the next step. We're going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from our entry candle down to the previous session's low. We'll focus on the retracement levels of minus 2.272, 0.618, and 0.66 for precise entry and exit points. Our stop loss is positioned at the minus level, ensuring we minimize potential loss while making sure our trade won't be closed by a stop loss hunt. And we aim to exit the trade, taking profits when the price action reaches the golden pocket, which is a key area for reversals. The exact opposite is true for entering long trades. For a long entry signal to be valid, there must be three conditions met. First, we need to see the previous session low being swept. Second, we must wait for a bullish change of character label being printed. Third, we must wait for a bullish fair value gap being printed. If all conditions are met, we want to enter our long trade at the bullish FVG. Now we want to draw a Fibonacci retracement from our entry candle to the previous session high, and we want to use the exact same levels we are using for short trades. We want to set our stop loss at the negative level, and we want to take profit as soon as price action hits the golden pocket. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to save up to 20% on LuxAlgo Premium indicators. Use my link if you're serious about setting yourself up for success. For another long trade opportunity to be recognized, we'll look for three key conditions. Firstly, the sweep of the previous session's low is essential. Secondly, we need to identify a bullish chalk label appearing on the chart. Thirdly, the appearance of a bullish FVG is crucial. Once these criteria are fulfilled, our entry point for the long trade is at the location of the bullish FVG. Now we're going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from our entry candle up to the previous session's high. We put our stop loss at the negative level. This way we make sure quick market changes don't kick us out of the trade too soon. And we are going to close our trade in profit as soon as the price action reaches the golden pocket. To recap, we've covered the key rules for entering long and short trades using this strategy. It's simple and highly profitable. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.